The Intense 5 is quite intense. What we got?
Number 5.
If you're not following Poker Stars on Instagram, you have to. Kevin Hart versus Usain Bolt, it's hilarious.
Number 4.
Well, I guess the people on Spreadshirt.com thought Sparks wouldn't notice. Can you imagine surfing the internet and bucking up your image being printed and sold on t-shirts, mugs, scarves, and you know nothing about it? Sparks, go at them.
Number 3.
Sean Spicer resigned as White House press secretary.
Number 2.
You see the guns they found at the wharf? What's really going on? And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, Tiger says he told Rob what to expect from Black China. But maybe Rob thought that he could change her? Oh well. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to send us your 5 to facebook.com/tvjintense. And of course, check us out on Instagram at tvjintense. Up next, more throwbacks and a video to get you in the Sumpfest mood. We soon forward.